Hey foodies, today we're about to embark on an epic journey that took me from zero to kitchen superhero. Meet the Chefman Air Fryer and get ready for the ultimate omelet hack that's about to revolutionize your breakfast game. Feast your eyes on this beauty, our trusty Chefman Air Fryer. It's not just for fries and wings, it's the secret weapon for crafting the most delicious, incredible omelet. Let's dive into the magic together. Now let's introduce our stellar cast of ingredients to the fryer stage. We've got eggs, leafy green spinach, vibrant bell peppers, tomatoes, cheese, salt, and pepper. Watch as they unite to create breakfast perfection as the chefman becomes the Picasso of breakfast. That's the sound of breakfast dreams coming true. The air fryer isn't just a kitchen tool, it's an artist's canvas. Set the air fryer to the perfect temperature and let the symphony of flavors begin. And then look, just like that, our masterpiece is revealed. And look, no mess to contend with. What a beautiful air-fried omelet masterpiece. That's a wrap on our Chefman Air Fryer omelet adventure. This is Breakfast Bliss brought to you by the Air Fryer.